सपनों की उड़ान है खेल, मेहनत का सम्मान है खेल, हार जीत तो राह की बातें, सच्ची पहचान है खेल। जो गिरकर उठना सीख गया, जो हर मुश्किल से भिड़ गया, जिनके दिल में जज्बा जागा, वो ही असली जीत गया। पसीने की बूंदें कहती हैं सफलता का राज यही, संघर्ष से जो नाता जोड़ा, जीत उसी के पास रही।
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, respected faculty members, and our shining stars, good morning to all. There are moments in life that stand still, etched forever in the corridors of memory. Moments of triumph, perseverance, and undying passion. The spirit of sport is not just about winning trophies or lifting trophies. It is about the journey, the struggle, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. It is about the countless hours of practice, the quiet determination before the starting whistle, and the resilience to rise after every fall.
Through the ages, sports have been more than just games. They have been reflection of human endurance, courage, and unity. From the ancient arenas where gladiators battled with honor to the grand stadiums of today where athletes inspire millions, the essence remains unchanged. An unwavering dedication to push beyond limits. Sports forge character, instill discipline, and weave a bond that transcends competition, reminding us that every victory is not merely in the scoreboard, but in the journey itself.
Today, I, Himesh,
Myself, Anushka,
are honored to announce young talents who have given their all on the field, who have transformed setbacks into comebacks, and whose achievement stand as beacons of inspiration. Welcome to the annual Sports Prize Distribution Ceremony, a day where champions are not just rewarded but celebrated for eternity. As tradition beautifully reminds us, light is a symbol of wisdom, knowledge, and prosperity. To begin our event on an auspicious note, we invite our Honorable Principal, Dr. Archana Kriti Chaudhary Madam, Dr. A.G. Kothari Sir, Dr. Satish Raghuvanshi Sir, and Mr. Yadunandan Deshmukh Sir to grace the stage for ceremonial lamp lighting. Let this flame illuminate our path toward excellence and achievement.
Sports aren't just about winning or losing. They are about resilience, teamwork, and self-improvement. Let's take a walk down memory lane and relive the highlights of our sports journey this year. Here's a glimpse of the spectacular moments that shaped this incredible sporting year.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में हूँ सारा आज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे, बस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए, कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, चक दे लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे, तबका बोहीटों में, रंग है समाज बिखरे और फुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होती, रग रग मचल के बोली, दस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए, कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, चक दे
ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਸੂਰਜ ਕੋ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਸੂਰਜ ਕੋ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ आज पट्टे ਚੱਕ
A great event deserves a great narration. To present a comprehensive report of our sporting achievement, I request Dr. Satish Raghuvanshi sir to share us with the milestones we have reached this year.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Madam, respected Deans, all head of the department, faculty members, staff, and my dear sport lover students. The journey of the sport for this year commenced on 29 August 2024 with the celebration of National Sport Day in the honor of the legendary Sir Dhyan Chand, the hockey magician. From that day, we kicked off our sport activity with the inter-department basketball tournaments. And various other games were held throughout of the year as per annual sport calendar 2024. I am delighted to share that this year a total 263 students from IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science participated in the nodal level games, including 172 boys, 91 girls. In this game, total 32 teams was participated from other engineering institutes. Among these teams, our students secured first place in both cricket and football tournament. Additionally, our badminton and volleyball team for both boys and girls secured second place. So it is one of the achievement of sports in nodal level games. Apart from this, in the month of October, our 31 students represented our institute at RGPV nodal level athletics tournaments held at JIT Borava, Khargone. Our students brought immense pride to the institute by securing 5 gold medals, 4 silver medals and 3 bronze medals in javelin throw, shot put, 200 and 400 and 800 meter athletic race. Apart from this, at the state level, 48 students participated, including 36 boys and 12 girls, represented institute in various cities of Madhya Pradesh in sports like yoga, judo, karate and rifle shooting also. On the national level, 18 students, 12 boys and 6 girls participated in sports like football, volleyball, chess, judo, karate, etc. Now, at the interdepartmental sports, approximately 1100 students participated with 950 boys and 140 girls competed in 12 different games. A total 13 branches of engineering took part in the department level tournament, including Institute of Engineering and Science of Campus 1 as a considered as a one team also. So today we gather to recognize and celebrate all your exceptional achievements. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Every achievement is a reflection of our vision, the guidance of our mentors. To inspire and encourage us further, I invite our respected principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, to share her words of wisdom.
Okay, thank you. On behalf of our college, I welcome all my colleagues, head of the departments, our advisor, Dr. Kothari sir, our faculty members, and the most beautiful faces in this college, my dear students. Thanks for giving me opportunity to speak here to appreciate you. Before I say anything, first of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate the team, the organizers, the coordinator and of sports of engineering college. So I think we all should give a big round of applause for them. आपने बहुत सुंदर मूवी दिखाई अभी, है ना? And that movie I am really, because you all are acting in that, and अगर ऐसी एक्टिंग है तो I salute you. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. You all very well know, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्पोर्ट्स आपको शायद I have never shared that I was a very good sportswoman when I was the student. मैं अपने कॉलेज में प्रेसिडेंट थी और मैं अपने कॉलेज में बहुत अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स खेलती थी, लेकिन इतना समय बीत गया तो आपकी इस मूवी से मुझे बिल्कुल वो पुराना समय मेरा याद आ गया. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब हम स्पोर्ट्स में रहते हैं तो वो एक ऐसा समय होता है जो दुनिया के टेंशन्स याद नहीं रहते, राइट? यू आर रियली एंजॉइंग द लाइफ, यू आर विथ यू, आप अपने आप में जीते हैं वो जिंदगी. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये जो भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी है, इसमें अपने लिए जीने के लिए वक्त जरूर निकालना चाहिए. हम हमेशा वो करते हैं और वो कहते हैं और वो ही सुनते हैं जो हमें दूसरे लोग कहते हैं. हम अपनी आवाज सुनते भी नहीं हैं, अपनी आवाज कहते भी नहीं हैं और अपने मन का करते भी नहीं. तो ऐसे क्या मिलेगा? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसी जगह है जहां इंसान, जहां हर व्यक्ति अपने लिए जीता है. और क्योंकि वो अपने लिए जीता है, बी विथ हिम, बी विथ हर, तो जो स्माइल होती है ना, वो इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस होती है. एंड आई थिंक फॉर दिस इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस स्पोर्ट्स प्ले अ वेरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रोल. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये जो हॉल है ये छोटा पड़ना चाहिए आज के दिन के लिए. इट शुड बी फ्लडेड विथ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. मुझे कुछ अलग इंतजाम करना चाहिए जहाँ सारे स्टूडेंट्स आए, बिकॉज यू आर द रोल मॉडल्स फॉर देम. उनको आपसे इंस्पिरेशनल मिलेगी. अभी तो क्या है, आप में से केवल वही लोग हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स में रहे हैं. ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली मुझे लाइफ में करना क्या है. तो मुझे स्पोर्ट्स, मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो अपने लिए, खुद के लिए कभी अच्छे से मुस्कुराए भी होंगे. तो हमें अपनी इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस के लिए, मुस्कुराने के लिए और लोगों को मुस्कुराहट देने के लिए, बिकॉज दैट इज माई मेन एजेंडा, टू ब्रिंग स्माइल ऑन योर फेसेस. इफ द क्राउड विल बी मोर, तो मोर स्टूडेंट्स विल बी इंस्पायर्ड बाय यू एंड you'll convey the message that how to earn the internal happiness. Thank you very much, and congratulations to everyone.
We request you to please remain on the stage, ma'am, for the prize distribution.
And I request Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kaushal sir and Dr. Satish Raghuvanshi sir to please join ma'am on the stage.
Champions are in games. They are made from something deep inside. A desire, a dream, a vision. It's time to recognize those who have made us proud with their remarkable achievements. We now present Special Sports Achievements Award to our star performers.
As I call them on the stage, don't forget to give them big round of applause for their national participation. Firstly, we have national participation in cricket. Aniket Patil, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Please give him a big round of applause, everyone.
Anshika Gupta, Civil Engineering Department. Participation at national level in volleyball. Please give a huge round of applause.
For national level participation in volleyball, Rohan Rade, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Don't forget to applaud him, please.
Avni Pandey, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML. Participation at national level in lawn tennis.
For national level participation in lawn tennis, Mohammad Sameer, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering. Please give him a huge round of applause, everyone.
For national level participation in judo, Piyush Kanholkar, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
For national level participation in judo, Abhijit Ijankar, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
Snigdha Sharma, national level participation in judo from Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
For national level participation in football, Prateek Singh, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization CSIT. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Prashant Raghuvanshi from Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT for participation at national level football.
We have national level participation at football. Abhishek Dangi, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT.
Surbhi Sahu, participation at national level chess competition from Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML.
For national level participation in running 200 meter, Prateek Singh, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization IT. Please give him a big round of applause, everyone.
Keshav Sharma, participation in national level 400 meter running from Civil Engineering Department.
For national level participation in running 400 meter, Mahima Panwar, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization AI/ML. These are national awardees. Please give them a big round of applause.
Jaya Yadav, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in DS for special achievement in yoga at national level.
For national level participation in rifle shooting, we have Ajay from Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
Anuj Sikarwar, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IoT. Special achievement at national level karate.
Please give a big round of applause for him. Our faculty members not only shape young minds but also lead by example. Today, we honor the dedicated educators who have excelled in sports and inspired us all. Let us give a huge round of applause as we present the Faculty Sports Award. For cricket, male category, the runner-up team is Computer Science and Engineering Department. Please give a huge round of applause for our faculty members.
And the winning department is Mechanical Engineering Department.
For badminton male category, we have the runner-up team, Mechanical Engineering Department. Please give a big round of applause for our runner-up team.
And the winner is Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department.
For badminton female category, we have the runner-up team, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
And the winning department is Computer Science and Engineering Department. the presentation of Student Annual Sports Awards. These awards recognize the sheer determination, discipline, and hard work of our young sports stars. Let's celebrate their passion and achievements.
For cricket and basketball, I request Dr. A.G. Kothari sir, Mr. Yadurandan Deshmukh sir, and Mr. Ashish Kushwaha sir to please do the honors. For cricket, runner-up team is Civil Engineering Department. Please give a big round of applause for our runner-up team.
And the winning team is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
For basketball boys category, we have runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in data science. Please give them a big round of applause.
And the winner is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Please give them a huge round of applause.
For basketball girls category, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML.
And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT.
Thank you, sir. For volleyball, I request Dr. Rupesh Dubey sir and Mr. Mustaqin Khan sir to please come up on the stage. For volleyball boys, we have runner-up team, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Give them a big round of applause, everyone, please.
And winner is Computer Science and Specialization in AIML. Please give them a huge round of applause.
For volleyball girls category, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Specialization Data Science. Please applaud for this runner-up team.
And the winner is Civil Engineering Department.
Badminton boys category, we have runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Specialization AIML.
And the winning department is Computer Science and Engineering Department.
Please do applaud the winning team. For badminton girls category, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department.
And the winner is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
Thank you, sir. For table tennis, I request Dr. Praveen Patel, sir, and Mr. Divakar Singh, sir, to please come up on the stage. Table tennis boys category, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization IoT. Applause are much appreciated.
And the winner is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
For table tennis girls category, we have the runner-up team, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML.
For chess and carom, I request Dr. Neeraj Srivastav sir and Mr. Subhas Mandal sir to please come up on the stage. For chess, runner-up team is Computer Science and Engineering Department. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone.
And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT.
Appreciate these winners by applause. For carom, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML.
And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT.
Thank you, sir. Shot put boys category, we have the runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in data science.
And the winner is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department.
request to please give them a big round of applause. For shot put girls category, we have runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in data science.
Please give them a huge round of applause. And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in ITCS.
Thank you, sir. For football, I request Dr. Nisha Agarwal, madam, and Mr. Rajesh Babu Ahirwar, sir, to please do the honors. For football, we have the runner-up team, Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. Please give a huge round of applause to them.
And the winning team is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in IT.
Please do applaud the winning team. For Kho-Kho boys category, we have runner-up team, Computer Science and Engineering Department.
Please give them a huge round of applause. And the winner is Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in AI/ML.
For Kabaddi, we have, for Kho-Kho girls category, we have runner-up team as Computer Science and Engineering Department, specialization in data science.
Department.
For Kabaddi boys, we have the runner-up team, Mechanical Engineering Department.
And the winner is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department. All good things must come to an end. But before we conclude, let us take a moment to express our gratitude, to extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this event possible. I request Mr. Yadunandan Deshmukh sir for the vote of thanks to please come on the stage.
गुड आफ्टरनून टू वन एंड ऑल। सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। आई डीम इट अ ग्रेट प्लेजर एंड ऑनर टू प्रिविलेज टू प्रपोज द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I would like to extend our gratitude to the President of our institute, Architect Achal Chaudhary sir. His support and encouragement have been instrumental in nurturing a culture of sportsmanship and excellence within our institution. We are truly grateful for his continued support. My special thanks to our esteemed principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, for her visionary leadership and dedication to the growth and development of our institution. Your tireless efforts in fostering a conducive environment for the overall development of our students are truly commendable. And we are immensely grateful for your guidance and support, ma'am. Thank you. I would also like to thank all the deans, heads of various departments, and all the faculty members for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. I extend my deepest gratitude to our esteemed in charge of sports, Professor Satish Raghuvanshi sir, for his dedication, guidance, and leadership in nurturing the talents of our students and organizing this remarkable event. Your commitment to excellence has truly inspired us. I would like to thank all the supporting staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I thank to all the dear students for your sportsmanship and dedication towards each and every sports and your cooperation in making these events a resounding success. As we conclude this ceremony, let us take with us the lesson that sport teaches us discipline and teamwork. May we continue to uphold the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence in all that we do. Thank you all once again. Let's keep the flame of sports alive and burning bright. Thank you very much.